Hello guys! Welcome in the next video of the Databricks series. In this video, let's go through how to use PySpark, distinct example in Databricks. We are taking as simple as, so we don't have any issue in understanding. Let's click on PySpark, distinct notebook, where we need to understand how distinct works in SQL and in Python. As you can see, our Python interpreter is selected and our cluster is also up and running. As you can see, we are trying to create our first sales data table using sample superstore CSV file. We are making header is equals to true and infer schema is equal to true. Let's execute this cell. Now you can see the output is okay. That means the table is created. Let's go in the next cell. We are trying to create a data frame df object. Using sample superstore CSV file, we can execute this cell and you can see we are displaying df object and it's giving all rows and columns out of data frame object. Let's go in the next cell. Our first query looks like we are making simple select star from sales data table. As you can see, it is having similar kind of output as we have in data frame df object. It is displaying all rows and columns. Let's go in the next cell. Here we are trying to have a distinct region column out of sales data table. As you can see, we have 4 different regions available and we should say distinct region in this case. In the next cell, we are trying to achieve the similar kind of functionality where we are selecting only the region column and we are making it distinct. Let's execute the cell. Here, we have for different unique regions available and similar kind of result as we had in SQL query. Let's go in the next cell. There is another way to achieve similar functionality where we can use drop duplicate method. We can provide one or multiple columns name. We are providing region into it and we are also selecting reason, so it's another way of writing the similar kind of functionality. If we don't want to use distinct directly, then this is another way to do similar way. As you can see, we have same results set as in the SQL also. Let's go in the next cell where I want to apply distinct on the top of multiple columns. We are choosing country and region. As you can see, we have country and reason available in the result set and we have an extra record with the country null and reason west. Let's go in the next cell. We are trying to achieve the similar functionality using the Python code with 2 different columns, and I want to select multiple distinct columns, so we can use select with 2 columns and then distinct method we can use in on the top of it. Let's execute this cell. As you can see, similar result we have available with Python code as we have had in SQL code. Let's go in the next cell and similar kind of functionality. We can also achieve with Python code with drop duplicate method. We can provide one or multiple columns as per our choice, and then in select you can provide which column you want to see in the output. Let's execute this cell. We have similar result available as we had in SQL code. That's all we have for this video. I hope you learned something about Databricks. See you in the next video.